si Lieutenant Colonel Juvie Espinedo.
Congressman Dago, can you please repeat the question?
Mr. Chair, under paragraph 34 of the affidavit of Colonel Espinedo, sinabi niya na base sa kanyang experience, ang pinaka-biggest crime syndicate sa bansang ito ay ang PNP organization mismo. Ang tinatanong ng representasyong ito, ano po ang masasabi ni General Karamat doon sa sabi na statement sa affidavit ni Colonel Espinedo no an active PNP personnel at present?
Sumagot si General Karamat.
Mr. Chairman, I totally disagree with the statement of Lieutenant Colonel Espinedo that the PNP organization is the biggest syndicate here in our country. We could not have the kind of peace and order situation we are experiencing right now in our country if not for those dedicated policemen maintaining the peace and order in our country.
Please follow my Facebook page, comment, like, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng.